Welcome back, guys. It has been well over a month since I last filmed. I'm already coming to you in utter defeat. I had a full intention of making the comeback video, a great one. However, I've already run out of time for the day. As you guys know, my work schedule is insane. But let me show you what I've been trying to battle with, and I have definitely lost. There's nothing I can do. But let me show you. So as you guys know, there's rust on the car. Rust holes. I got new fenders. They aren't perfect, but they're a lot better than the ones I got. The other one's right there, as you can see, for like a 50, 60-year-old car. That's not too bad. So I went ahead and started trying to take the fender off. I think there was like 5 bolts here. The front 2 I had to cut off, which are a pain in the ass. No big deal. But the one that I've really been struggling with for like an hour right now is this one right here, and let me show you why. You see into the hole right there. The sun's probably killing me right now. Hold on. It's there we go. Nope. Alright, you're gonna have to take my word for it, because that's not gonna work. There's a bolt in that little gap. I can't get to it. Easiest way to do it would be to take the doors off. And sadly, I just don't have the time to do that right now, so I gotta get out. But I wanted to show you what I've been working on today. Like I said, it's coming along. It's just one of those things that's gonna be a lot easier with 2 people, 2 sets of hands for this. Alright, I got the fan off, so you're not gonna be annoyed by that wind. I apologize for not thinking about that. I'm a little rusty. So this video is going to turn into just an update on the Barracuda, because obviously I've run out of time already. So we got new fenders, as I've told you already. I've already started working on the floors in the front. Got a nice coat of black on them, so I'll show you that, which I might have already shown you, but regardless, I'll show you again. So as you can see, I've got the swing outs already painted, and the lower part of the roll cage on this side, and of course the floor too. So my next step is going to be getting the rear floors all sanded down and with Por 15 and a coat of black on it. Then once I get these fenders off, my next step after that is going to be going by each wheel and taking care of the fender well, the wheel well, knocking off all that rust, getting a coat of paint on it. So as you can see, the car's coming together really quickly. To some of you that have never tackled a big project like this, it might look like a lot, but it's really not. Once I get all the wheel wells done, the floors and the interior all done, then it goes straight to the metal guy. He's going to take care of the quarter panels for me. Then after that, the engine should be here. Throw that in with the transmission, and boom, it's a driving car. Then it's just paint. So to kind of fill you guys in on the engine, which I've kind of been keeping a secret to this point, it's going to be a 440 stroked small block. Of course, nitrous powered, as you know that there's a bottle back there. Should be 700-800 horse off the bottle, and close to 1,000 width. And that's only with a 200 or 300 shot of nitrous. It's going to be capable of a 600 shot, so that means, you know, closer to 1,400. Golan Engines and I crunched the numbers, and we both agreed that in low 9-second, even an 8-second pass is going to be possible with just a 200 shot. So I can only imagine what the 600 shot would be able to do if we choose to push it to that point. And as far as the rear tire goes, I'm still waiting for the rear weld wheel to come in. That's that 15-inch, I think it's 15 by 9. I don't even know the lug pattern, 5 by 114 or whatever the Mustang stuff is. And as you can still see the Wilwood brake and the Moser axle tucked underneath. But as you can see over here, I have all the sandpaper and all the grinding stuff, some rust converter. That's pretty much everything I'm going to need to tackle the rust on this thing. At least the stuff that I'm going to be doing myself. All the welding, obviously the metal guy will be doing. So as for the MR2, not much has changed on it. As you guys know, I've been super busy with work, just putting in crazy hours. I know a lot of you guys have asked me what I do for a living. I'm gonna make a separate video on that. Just kind of outline that way I don't have to keep responding to everybody's comments and DMs and that kind of thing on Instagram. So guys, I really apologize for this not being the kind of video I want it to be, but you know how things are. Amount of time crunch, I gotta get back down to Miami. But I wanted to give you a quick update so I can get the ball rolling again. I really want to get back into making videos. I've been slacking on my end. It's a personal goal of mine to start getting better. This thing's gonna be coming along really quick. The engine should be done next month. Then the transmission only takes about 2 or 3 weeks. So we're talking 2 months and this thing's gonna be running and driving. And that's pretty crazy. Man, every time I walk into this garage and you see the nitrous bottle staring at me, it's just motivation. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. Smash that subscribe button, put the alert on, do it all. Like, comment, subscribe, do it, do it, do it. I'll see you next time. That hole you got on yourself, you gotta unlock it. But I get what you tell.